Chapter 6. Note, the relation between stress and physical disease is less clear than is popularly assumed. Stress can suppress the immune system, but remember, not all people with suppressed immune systems get sick. Immune system. Purpose: to protect body from invasion by foreign material. It is not a centralized system, but rather spread through the body in the form of the lymphatic system. Lymphocytes. Type of white blood cell found in lymph. There are different types: B cells, T cells, NK cells. B cells mature in bone marrow. With the help of helper T cells, they differentiate into plasma cells and secrete antibodies. Each antibody is manufactured in response to a specific invader. Foreign substances that provoke antibody manufacture are called antigens. T cells mature in the thymus gland. They acquire specific receptors in their surfaces so they can recognize the invader. NK cells destroy a wide variety of foreign organisms, but they have particularly important antiviral and anti-tumor functions. All of the above are involved in specific immune responses. An immune response is specific to one invader. Nonspecific immune responses. Phagocytosis. Attack of foreign particles by cells in the immune system. Two kinds of leukocytes, white blood cells, perform this function. Granulocytes contain granules filled with the chemicals which they release when they come into contact with an invader. Monocytes and macrophages scavenge for worn-out cells and debris, assisting in the initiation of specific immune responses and secreting a variety of chemicals involved in immune response. Inflammation restores tissues that have been damaged by invaders. Damaged cells release enzymes that help destroy invading microorganisms. Recall the role of the brain, nervous system, and endocrine system. There are two types of endocrine responses. Sympathetic adrenal medulla response is when the sympathetic nervous system is activated. The adrenal medulla releases epinephrine and norepinephrine. Hypothalamus pituitary adrenal cortex HPA response is when the hypothalamus stimulates the pituitary, which then stimulates the adrenal cortex to release cortisol. Note, remember this by cortex sounding like cortisol. While SAM is the body's initial reaction to stress, the HPA system is a delayed response that functions to restore the body to the baseline. Psychoneuroimmunology, a multidisciplinary field. Psychoneuroimmunology focuses on interactions among behavior, nervous system, endocrine system, and immune system. A classic 1975 publication by Adder and Cohen shaped the field by showing immune response could be classically conditioned in rats. A conditioned stimulus, CS, of water and saccharin was paired with an unconditioned stimulus, UCS, a drug that suppresses immune response called cyclophosphamide. The rats came to show immune suppression when given saccharin solution alone. Before this study, most physiologists believed that the immune system and the nervous system did not interact. Similar studies have been conducted among humans. Busk and Kirschbaum in 1992 gave college students sherbet, CS, paired with epinephrine, UCS. The epinephrine caused an unconditioned response of increasing the number of NK cells. When given sherbet a few days later, without the UCS, subjects experienced a similar increase in the NK cell activity. Immune diseases such as fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, and asthma have all been associated with blunted cortisol production.